Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am in a mask, which I absolutely detest. But today is all about pampering myself. So I gave my girl a little WhatsApp to see if she was open for business. And she was. So I booked my appointment and I'm at Nature Island Nails in Dominica. Of course, my girl Dinia, the only person I trust to hook me up with the best nails. So I'm gonna get Dinya to come on in a while to tell you guys a little bit more about Nature Island Nails and the services that she offers. But for now, I'm getting myself pampered. See you guys soon. Okay, so Dinya has been doing my nails for several years. She's the owner of Nature Island Nails in Dominica. Dinya, approximately how long have you been in business?
I've been in business for the past 10 years. This year is actually my 10th year.
And what are some of the services that you provide at Nature Island Nails?
Well, some of the services that we provide are nails, which would include acrylic nails, gel nails, French tips, manicures. Other services would include hair, pedicures, waxing, massages. Oh, and also facials.
Okay, and if someone was interested in booking an appointment at Nature Island Nails, how would they go about doing that?
There's actually two ways that you can go about doing that presently. One would be to call me or WhatsApp 615-7954 or via Facebook. There is a book now button that you can use. My Facebook page is Nature Island Nails and Spa, and there is the Facebook, the book me now button that you can use to book your appointment.
Okay, and how would you say COVID-19 has affected business?
It has affected the business quite a bit because, I mean, for one, we could not accept any clients for fear of catching COVID, I would say. And then our clients were kind of complaining that, okay, we need to get our nails done, we need to get our hair done, we need to get our feet done. And who is talking about their feet scratching the sheet and want to tear the sheet and these kind of things. And but unfortunately, we could not open as per instructions.
And would you say that now that you have the leeway to resume business, have you been getting a lot of appointments?
Yes, we have been getting a few appointments slowly but surely. I mean, people are coming in, and some are still kind of scared because of the COVID scare and whatever. But majority of my clients have been asking if we are open. So yes, we are open.
Okay, and tell me, what are some of your other social media handles besides Facebook?
Instagram, Nature Island Nails.
And are you on YouTube?
Yes, I am.
What is your YouTube handle?
Nails by D, nails with a Z and letter D.
And what can people expect to see on your YouTube channel?
Well, nail designs, nail tutorials, more nail designs, more tutorials.
Okay, so Dinya, if you had to say a word to your clients, what would you say?
Well, basically, welcome back.
Okay, where is the shop located?
It's located between Western Union and Aeropost Customs. There is an alley in between the two buildings. There is also a sign on the building, so you cannot get lost. You just come straight to the back and you come upstairs, and then voila, Nature Island Nails.